Good morning to everyone and all the participants, coordinator, convener of this one day international multidisciplinary conference organized by Art, Commerce and Science College, Palus. So, my paper presentation is on evolution of green chemistry and its impact on human values. I would like to share my abstract on this paper in short. Science depends upon the certain human values, that is the value of knowledge, utility and nature. By furthering knowledge, utility and nature, science enhance their values for humanity. For example, the appreciation of nature is increased by knowledge of the nature. Ethics itself deals with the values relating with the human conduct with respect to the rights and wrong of certain action and to the good and bad of motives and the end of such actions. Nowadays, there are a number of emerging branches, trends, but one of the emerging branch of chemical sciences, that is green chemistry, become a necessity of world. And the reason behind this is growing process of industrialization. Industrialization was a milestone for the world economic evolution. Since the 1940s, social movement have revolutionized green chemistry and provided shift in industrial position and sustainable process with advances in environmental impact and awareness of companies and population. John Warner in the 1990s postulated the 12 principles of green chemistry, which are based on the minimization or non-use of toxic solvents in chemical processes and analysis as well as the non-generation of residues which are produced during this process. Impact of scientific and technological development on society is long as well as short term. The human development in science and technology, when synergistically combines, it strengthens the human values. But some technology which weakens the human value, that is disruptive. To reduce the disruptive factor in chemical sciences, I have discussed some reactions in chemistry in this paper which looks green if you followed some facts and rules strictly. Water has emerged as a versatile solvent for organic chemistry in synthesis in recent years. Water as a solvent is not only inexpensive and environmentally benign but also gives completely new reactivity. The type of organic reaction in water are broad, including pericyclic reaction, reactions of carbanion equivalent, carbocation equivalent, reaction of radicals and carbene, transition metal catalysis, oxidation reduction, out of which some are discussed in my paper. The tutorial review, which describes the impact of this reaction on human values, aqueous organic reactions, have a very broad applications such as synthesis of biological compounds from carbohydrates and chemical modification of biomolecules. Some reactions since many years which are traditionally carried out in organic solvents such as Barbier-Grignard type reaction have been successfully performed nowadays in water. Some reactions like nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, which are helpful for the preparation of atomic bomb and hydrogen bomb by different countries in the world, out of which atomic bomb explosion, that is the nuclear fission reaction, intensify the loss of human values, but the fusion reaction in chemistry, which is needful for the generation of energy, because whole the world is facing energy problem nowadays, that intensifies the importance of human values and has an impact on population, human rights and environment, which implies the human values. Some of the keywords which are used in this paper are green chemistry, pericyclic reaction, Barbier-Grignard type reaction, nuclear fission, nuclear fusion. These all are the parts of chemistry. In detail, I have discussed effect of the all these reactions on human values, how we can prevent it, how the human values are going to be destroyed. So that all the fact is present in detail in my paper. So lastly, I am greatly thankful of convener, coordinator of this Arts, Commerce and Science College Palus who have organized this multidisciplinary international conference, because of which it is possible, because of which I have chance to express my vote of thanks, my expression about the subject which is explained in one day International Multidisciplinary E-Conference. So I am again greatly thankful of Arts, Commerce and Science College Palus. Thank you so much.